Hello everyone, and today we will be solving a problem which is time needed to buy tickets. LEETCODE 2073 problem. So let's see the problem statement. So problem is saying that there are n people in a line querying to buy tickets where the 0th person is at the front of the line and at the n minus 1 person is at the back of the line. You are given 0 index integer array tickets of length n where the number of tickets of ith person would like to buy the ticket of I. Okay, so each person takes exactly 1 second to buy a ticket. A person can only buy one ticket at a time and has to go to the end of the line, which happens instantaneously, in order to buy more tickets. If a person doesn't have any tickets left to buy, the person will leave the line. Okay, so we have to return the time taken of the person at position K. Okay, so to finish the buying ticket. So to buy a ticket, the any person that who wants to buy a ticket, he will take 1 second to buy that ticket. So we have given the tickets array, and we have to find the how much time this kth person will take to buy the tickets to reach at 0. Like we have given tickets equals to 232, we have to find how much time it will take, this person will take, because 0 1 2 second index equals to 2. So second index wala person how much time it will take to reach at 0. So after एक एक टिकट खरीदने के बाद सारे पैसे, because if the person will if a person will buy a ticket, he will go to the end of the line. So if first person will buy the ticket, he will go to the end of the line. Then second person will buy the ticket, then he will go end to the line. Then third person will buy the ticket and he will go end of the line. So after 3 seconds, because at each at first ticket means एक टिकट बाय करने में 1 सेकंड का टाइम लग रहा है, तो 3 टिकट्स बाय करने में कितना 3 सेकंड का. तो आफ्टर बाइंग 3 टिकट्स it will be like 1 2 1. Then again after buying again 3 tickets, it will be 0 1 and 0. Now you can see here it is reached at the 0th ticket, means 0th so how many times it takes 6 seconds. So let's see the approach for this. So this is the example 232, and we have to find how much time this person will take. K equals to 2 here, so 0 second index wala person how much time it will take to reach at 0. So after 3 seconds, the array will be like 1 2 1 1 2 1, and again after 3 seconds, array will be like 0 1 0, because if the first person will buy the ticket, he will go end of the line. Then again second person will buy the ticket, then he will go end of the line. Then third person will buy the ticket, then he will go end of the line. And to buy a one ticket, a person needed 1 second to buy that ticket. So now let's see the approach for this problem. So approach part is very simple. In this problem, what we can do is we can iterate the whole ticket array, and कब तक iterate करेंगे, जब तक कि kth person, like here the k equals to 2. So second index पे जो person पड़ा हुआ है, like second index पे 2 पड़ा हुआ है, तो 2 जब तक 0 नहीं होता था, तब तक के लिए क्या करेंगे, एक लूप अप्लाई करेंगे और हर एक एलिमेंट में से 1 माइनस करते जाएंगे. और वी नो दैट if we want to buy a ticket, then we need 1 second to buy that ticket. So if we apply the loop, then firstly if we apply, then it will be 1 2 and 1, and seconds is time is 3 seconds, then again 0, then 1, then 0. Now it is 0. So now what we will do, we will add up the time of that particular ticket buying ticket. So here the time will be 6 seconds. So in that we can apply this, and if you do this brute force solution also, then it will also pass this the constant, because the constants are very simple, like n is going from 1 to 100. So if you apply this brute force solution, then also it will be op- good for this. But if we apply for the optimal solution, like optimal solution will be like, if we have given this array 2252 and k equals to 2, it means we have to find the time taken by the second index पे जो person पड़ा हुआ है उसको. तो 2 0 1 2 सेकंड इंडेक्स पे 5 पड़ा हुआ है, तो 5 तब तक 0 नहीं होता, तब तक के लिए मेरे को मतलब 1 सेकंड को माइनस करते जाना है. ठीक है, अब जब तक के लिए t इक्वल्स टू 4, मतलब टाइम 4 सेकंड लगेगा, और सबको माइनस कर देंगे, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 1 देन 4 देन अगेन 1 देन अगेन टाइम इक्वल टू 4 सेकंड के लिए, बिकॉज 1 2 3 4 4 सेकंड लगेंगे आइटरेट करने में, 0 0 3 0. नाउ इट इज 3. नाउ इट विल टेक 3 सेकंड टाइम बिकॉज ऑल आर जीरो. यू कैन सी हियर 0 0 0. सो इनका तो कोई मतलब है ही नहीं. सो इसको 3 बार में 0 बनाना पड़ेगा. तो आफ्टर दिस it will be 0. So what we can do is we can say like if tickets of I means we are iterating the whole array, and we can check if tickets of I is less than tickets of k. Tickets of k is this one 5 and I is this one. So what we can do, time plus equals to tickets of I, because 2 is less than 5. So हमको 5 टाइम्स तो लूप चलाना ही पड़ेगा, बिकॉज 5 को 0 बनाना है मेरे को. तो 5 टाइम्स लूप चलाएंगे. तो 5 टाइम्स लूप चलाएंगे तो ये तो 0 पहले हो जाएगा, बिकॉज 2 इज लेस देन 5. सो हम डायरेक्टली इसको ऐड कर सकते हैं. इफ अगर यहाँ इस 2 की जगह 8 पड़ा हुआ होता, इट विल लाइक 2 2 5 8. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट वी कैन डू, हमको तो लूप 5 टाइम्स चलाना है, पर यहाँ पे 8 पड़ा हुआ है. इन दैट केस व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन टेक द टाइम प्लस इक्वल टू टिकट्स ऑफ के, बिकॉज दैट दिस 5 इज लेस देन के. बट हमको तो 5 टाइम्स ही चलाना है, 8 टाइम्स तो चलाना नहीं है, बिकॉज इसको 0 बनाना है, के को सेकंड इंडेक्स वाले को. सो दैट्स वाई 5 उसमें ऐड करेंगे. सो नाउ लेट्स डू द कोड so that we can understand properly. What we'll do, we can take a variable int time, and we can apply a loop for int I equals to 0 to I less than tickets dot size. tickets के size तक loop apply करेंगे. Then what we can check is if tickets of I, इसको ऐसे करता हूँ, कॉपी कर लो. if tickets of I is less than tickets of k, it means कि ये वाली वैल्यू अप्लाई हो रही है. 2 इज लेस देन टिकट्स ऑफ आई इज लाइक 2. 2 इज लेस देन 5. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट वी कैन डू इज डायरेक्टली टाइम प्लस इक्वल्स टू टिकट्स ऑफ आई, बिकॉज हमें तो मिनिमम वाला चाहिए. इन एल्स केस व्हाट वी कैन डू इज टाइम प्लस इक्वल्स टू टिकट्स ऑफ के, बिकॉज it what it is showing is like if tickets of I is greater than tickets of k. तो हमें तो मिनिमम वाला चाहिए. तो मिनिमम वाला क्या हो गया, tickets of k. Then else case भी हमारा हो गया. Now again what we can check is if I is greater than k, and this condition is holding, like tickets of I is greater than equals to tickets of k. In that case also हम टाइम को क्या कर सकते हैं, माइनस कर देंगे, बिकॉज मैं बताऊंगा क्या हुआ. बिकॉज उसमें से अब जैसे यहाँ पे 5 और 8 पड़ा हुआ होता, ठीक है. सो ये 8 फाइनली 5 नहीं होता, मुझे इसको 5 टाइम्स चलाना है, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, 8 को माइनस 5 3 हो जाता. बट उसको 4 लेते, ठीक है. इफ यू डू द ड्राई रन देन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. एंड फाइनली what we'll do, we will return this simply answer. So now let's run this and see if this will work or not. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this. As you can see here, it is taking 0 millisecond time, and that better than the 100% of C++ users. So now let's discuss about time and space complexity. So here you can see here, here we are using only variables. So space complexity is big of 1, and the time complexity is big of n, because we are iterating the whole array only one time. So the time complexity will be big of 1. Big of n, sorry, and space complexity is big of 1. So this was a solution. If you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.